The horse's neck is a classic cocktail traditionally made with brandy or bourbon, ginger ale, and garnished with a long lemon peel. It is a refreshing drink that elegantly balances a bit of spice from the ginger ale with the warmth of the alcohol. You will need the following ingredients: 2 ounces brandy or bourbon. You can choose either based on your preference. 4 to 6 ounces ginger ale. Adjust to taste, typically more ginger ale for a lighter drink. 1 large spiral lemon peel. This is for garnish and should ideally extend the full length of the glass. For equipment you will need highball or Collins glass, bar spoon, peeler or zester, ice. Here are the instructions. Start by using a peeler to create a long lemon peel spiral. Place the lemon peel inside a highball or Collins glass, letting it curl around the inside of the glass. Fill the glass with ice cubes. Pour in 2 ounces of brandy or bourbon over the ice. Top off with 4 to 6 ounces of ginger ale, adjusting based on your taste preferences. Stir gently with a bar spoon to combine the ingredients. Serve immediately and enjoy your horse's neck. The horse's neck dates back to the late 19th century and was originally a non-alcoholic drink made with ginger ale and lemon peel. It wasn't until the early 20th century that bartenders began adding brandy or bourbon, transforming it into the cocktail we know today.